If you are saving your money in a bank in 2025, then you are wasting many opportunities. Why put your money to sleep when you can let your money work for you and make interest even if it is 1 Ghana cedi? So last year, I talked about how we could save using the Stanbic Income Fund Trust on the Plus app to grow our money. Unfortunately, that investment was removed from the Plus app and I got a lot of questions concerning it. That is why in today's video, I'm going to talk about how you could benefit from investing in the Stanbic Income Fund, either the Stanbic Income Fund Trust or the Stanbic Cash Trust. These are mutual funds from the Stanbic Investment Management Services. This is not a sponsored video, but I would love it if Stanbic does. These investments are mostly done in many banks. You might need to ask your bank if they have mutual funds related investment. Sometimes they won't tell you. Just go to their website and search for this type of investment. Put your money in a short-term investment instead of savings, where you can easily have access to it like your savings. So last, I talked about putting your money in a high-yield savings account instead of just the bank account. The Stanbic Cash Trust, aka SCT, it's more like a high-yield savings account that grows your money every single week. Not guaranteed though, but can have access to your money in 24 hours in case you need your money back. You do not need to have a bank account with Stanbic Bank before you invest in this investment. The Stanbic Cash Trust is a mutual fund that uses short to medium term income while preserving your capital through investing in fixed income securities like treasury securities, quasi-government securities, and the money market investment. So let me explain these steps. The treasury securities are debt instruments issued by a government to fund its spendings. Example is the treasury bill. Quasi-government securities are debt obligations issued by the government. That's almost like a government, right? That protects the investors' money and increase the chance of the investors getting their money back. So it protects you from, losing your money. You get it? Money market instruments are also focused on cash equivalent and short-term securities. So these are what the Stanbic Cash Trust is all about. So the funds uses 80% of your money to invest in government and quasi-government debt securities and up to 20% in selected money market securities, leaving a minimum of 5% in cash. So as an investor, you benefit from a diversified portfolio which helps you to grow your money whilst you get access to them anytime. So with the SC, you see your money go every day. You have access to your money anytime that you want to withdraw, and it's very easy to get started. Let's look at the Stanbic Income Fund Trust, aka SIFT. It's another type of mutual fund that invests in medium to long-term sustainable income and capital appreciation, meaning it focuses on investing in fixed income securities like fixed deposit and government treasury securities. So the SIFT gives you access to a diversified investment which helps you to grow your money and earn additional income. So the fund focuses on medium to long-term goals than what the Stanbic Cash Trust offers. So without wasting much time on these two, let's dive into the app and show you how to invest in the same app. So the first thing you need to do is to register your account. I'll put a link in the description below to register. So after registering, it will take you like 3 business days to get activated. It actually depends though, but before you invest, the investment managers will get in touch with you to ask you some few questions and know your investment goals, to help you grow your cash, right?
Okay, so to download the Sims app, you need to go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store to download. If you register for the first time, you'll be asked to log in with your Sims number. They will give you a number to log in. You enter the login and your PIN. So this will be the dashboard. I already have some small investment I made, which is so far I've made 1.80 in 1 month to 1 week, or 1 month, 2 weeks. Less than 2 months. So I made some investment here. You can see the transaction was around 19th of December. So this is the dashboard. So we have the SIFT here and we have the CST. So the income trust fund is here and the cash trust too is here. So you have 2 accounts. Either you can click on this to read more about to read more about the cash trust, and you can also click here to read more about the income fund. So there are 2 pages in here. You can swipe in here. So the first one, I can click on it, which is the SIFT that I've already explained. So if you want to deposit here, you click on deposit. Then you click on either you have a Stanbic account or you have mobile money, you can use it. Or you can go to, if you want to invest in the cash trust, which is the money market fund, you can click on it, or you can just double click on it straight, deposit. Then you can use the mobile money Stanbic account or the bank card. You don't need to have an account to open this. As earlier said, you enter your number, then you select the operator, then you enter the amount on the blue section here, then you click on continue. So when you click on continue, then you click on confirm. So clicking on the confirm, the pop-up will come for you to deposit. So after you deposit, it will take up to 24 hours for your account to reflect here. So if you want to invest in the Stanbic Income Fund or the Stanbic Cash Trust, this is the easiest way. After depositing, that is all. From 48 to 72 hours, you see your money start growing. So last year, the interest rates we had around 21%, which was very good. If this year goes well, we should have approximately 19, 20 or 21, depending on the market. So it is not a fixed thing, it depends on the market. So this is how the Plus app looks like. This Plus Invest, you click on it. So you log into your detail. So previously we used to have Stanbic Income Fund and the Stanbic Cash Trust in here. Right now we don't have it here, so that is why we did the video for you to invest in. Plus app is actually working on to put it back here, but if you want to invest on the Stanbic Bank app itself, you can use the Stanbic Bank app to do that. You don't need to invest them here. There'll be listing a lot of mutual funds in here, but for now you can use it to invest in treasury bills, IC liquidity fund, and data bank M fund. So that is it.
So the Stanbic Income Fund is one of the mutual funds that you can go for. I have other mutual funds that you can go for. If you want to learn more about mutual funds, you can check in the description below for my mutual funds video. This video explains what mutual funds are and the types of mutual funds that you can go for. I believe you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you are new here, because I post more finance videos like treasury bills, mutual funds, stocks, ETFs, and so many more. Don't forget to also follow me on Instagram at @PickensHub, and do not respond to anybody who comes to your DM to chat on Telegram or expect you to send money to a crypto wallet or anything. Don't fall for any impersonators. And if you enjoyed videos, please make sure to smash the like button and follow me for more videos like this. See you in my next video.